Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. A crazy day in the markets considering it started off fairly quiet. We had a pretty decent bounce. You can see there that this was the bottom of the channel here. We started to bounce off from that. I was looking for actually a little bit more of a move, potentially to the top of the channel, which lines up with the snow line there. But then across the board, and I actually have not seen this in a while, massive volume sell programs came in the last 30 minutes. And not only will you see this volume spike on the indexes, but also on a lot of individual stocks. So something, they're just programs that were dumped. And I'm looking at this as capitulation, just short-term capitulation. In the premium video, I'll go over, what we saw in 2011 and kind of what to look for here. What we're looking at here is the idea that if this is going to continue to correct, say, let's call it, 10% correction. Okay, 10% correction in the spiders takes us to 180. So are we going to go straight down there, or are we going to get kind of a little bit of a pop up and then go down? So this is typically a little bit more of a higher probability. Suck longs in and then rip it down. But at this point, it's very possible that things keep on going. So what do you look for? Well, you look for capitulation. And you can see here, the last high volume bar here, capitulation, boom. I'm not looking for new highs, by the way, but just, the question is, do you wake up tomorrow morning and short everything, buy puts on everything, or have we reached a point of capitulation? We're looking for a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and then we short. So that's what I'm looking for. Tomorrow morning, I'd be looking at selling put spreads, especially giving yourself the mathematical advantage, 1.5, 2 standard deviations out. And then if we can get that rally, actually then selling call spreads and potentially buying a few puts, okay? And in terms of stocks here that I've been watching, one here has been LinkedIn. A couple more I'll go over with you in the premium video. I like this on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we've been setting up a squeeze. You can see here it's triggered. So if we can get any rallies back to about 200, I'd be very aggressive about selling call credit spreads, all right? Hope that helps. You guys have a great evening, and we'll see you at the next update.